Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two fantastic Silonn ice makers that promise to deliver quick and efficient ice production. Both models can produce 9 cubes in just 6 minutes and have a daily output of 26 pounds. However, they differ in design and functionality. Let's dive into the details to see which model suits your needs better. When it comes to portability, the Silonn Ice Maker B0BXXKFJK2 stands out with its convenient carry handle and lighter weight, making it ideal for camping or RV trips. In contrast, the B08ZYJ8CRX lacks portability features, which may limit its use to stationary settings like your kitchen or bar. Next, let's talk about water tank capacity. The B08ZYJ8CRX model features a larger 2-liter water tank, allowing for less frequent refills, which is a significant advantage for users who produce a lot of ice. On the other hand, the B0BXXKFJK2 has a smaller 1.2-liter tank, meaning you'll need to refill it more often during heavy use. Lastly, let's compare their design dimensions. The B08ZYJ8CRX is slightly larger with dimensions of 12.3 x 8.7 x 12.5 inches, while the B0BXXKFJK2 is more compact at 8.74 x 11.42 x 11.57 inches, making it easier to fit into tighter spaces. If you have limited counter space, the B0BXXKFJK2 might be the better choice. In conclusion, both Silonn ice makers offer impressive features and performance. If you prioritize portability and compact design, the B0BXXKFJK2 is the way to go. However, if you need a larger water tank and don't mind the extra size, the B08ZYJ8CRX is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.